Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics here, back to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today, guys, is show you how to add text to a wall in Adobe Photoshop. What we have here is this image of maths and science formulas and equations, and underneath I have an image of a chalkboard with a hand. And what I'd like to do is make this formulas and the science and math stuff on the board, so it looks like that hand is actually written this formula. It's very easy to do. So what we need to do now is open up our layers, and I'm just going to turn off the top layer here, just using the eye, and come to our chalkboard layer. Now what I need to do is duplicate this layer. The keyboard shortcut to do that on the Mac is Command J. On Windows, that's Control J. And with that layer still highlighted, the duplicate layer, what I'm going to do now with our new taskbar after our update on Photoshop is just come through and use the remove background option, like so. And as you can see now on this layer, we have a nice hand on its own. So let's turn back our formula and maths and science layer. What we need to do now is really change the blending mode. So we're going to come through here, and if we could use a blending mode of screen or color dodge, probably going to go for screen in this particular instance. Fantastic. Now what we need to do is make this look a little bit more realistic. So we need to affect our layer style of the formula layer. So I'm just going to simply double click it to bring up our layer style options. And we have our underlying layer option here. And I'm just going to move this just to the left here a little bit. If we want to split this, you need to use the keyboard shortcut option on Mac or Alt on Windows, just to give it sort of a disheveled look like it's been written on that board. And we press OK. And what we need to do now is just sandwich that layer in between the two layers, like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you add text to walls in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.